I got a moment where, man, I almost had to shed some tears because I'm going to truly miss my South African brothers and sisters over the next couple of months. Because I've made some great friends and family here. And I'm telling you, man, give Johannesburg, South Africa a shot. You're going to meet some of the best people in the world here, and I promise you that. And so I just wanted to share that with you today. If you haven't checked out Victoria Yards, check them out. Also, you make sure you check out Four Ways Rustic Market, another great marketplace, great food. And also check out Pirates Club in Greenside, another one of those wonderful markets. And the last one, the biggest market that be coming here, the Linden Market. It comes 4 times out of the year, once each quarter. If you're here while it's going on, check that out, man. It's such a cool vibe there. Live music, tons of food, activities for the kids, so many things. If you like artsy stuff, if you like more cultural things, like everything you can think of is there. Even if you're into a holistic type living, they will have everything there for you at those marketplaces. And make sure you like this video if you like this type of content. And I think for the next couple of days, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through and actually highlight different people and different businesses here that I really appreciate, show some love to them. And I just want to say one more time, man, thank you, my South African brothers and sisters, especially my people in Johannesburg. I appreciate and I love each and every last one of you because you truly made me get over the loss of my wife. You truly, not made, helped me